Hello everybody, we're gonna be making a YouTube video today. If you've already seen the campaign diary video on my other channel, you'll know that we made it on stream, and today we'll be making the video. We'll be making the video right here, right now, pretty much unedited for your pleasure and educational experience. So please enjoy. We're on stream right now, so let's get right into it. And this is usually the hardest part. Okay, what is gonna be intro? Okay, so we just finished our outline, and now we're going to take this outline. I made this a little bit more thorough than most of my videos, probably because I tried to think about everything that happened during these two sessions. So I'm gonna basically go line for line in this outline and pretty much script it out directly from what I have noted here. Okay, so first of all, when last we left our heroes, we're about ready to record this video. You guys ready? All right, so basically I'm going to go through the script piece by piece. I have most of the script down. I wrote this script pretty naturally. It's not all, none of it's any technical stuff. And so I hope I'm gonna have a pretty easy time reading the sentences and delivering the lines to the camera. And hopefully this won't take me more than like a half hour. I'm gonna hit record now and we're gonna get started. Hey everybody, this video is a little bit different. I'm recording this live on stream on twitch.tv/. Deck of Many session will be up very soon, and until next time, go roll those neat 20s. We're done. That was easy. Only took me 40 minutes. Yikes. I was expecting much less than that. We're gonna plow into work mode. So once again, for YouTube, here's my Stream Deck. This is what I use to primarily edit. I pretty much keep my left hand on the Stream Deck at all times while I edit. My right hand on the mouse. The only real hotkeys I used are fast forward, which is Shift L. Break, which places a break at the playhead. That's Control B. The link key lets me link and unlink audio from video, so I can edit the audio independent of the video if I need to. The magnet tool enables and disables whenever the playhead will snap to the beginning and end of clips. Control C is of course undo, and delete will delete a clip and make sure that it deletes the space that the clip used to take up, so it keeps my cuts smooth. We're gonna go ahead and change the settings. Let's check the settings here. Bring this down to 1080p because it only has to be 1080p. Make sure that the playback frame rate matches the frame rate of the video. Pop this into our timeline. And we're gonna speed run this edit. 40 minutes of footage. We're gonna cut it down here viciously quickly. Let's go! Let's see, it was, okay, so it was 11 o'clock. That took exactly an hour. It was 11 o'clock when we started recording the video. We got 38 minutes of footage. And it's 12:38, so it took an hour and a half to record and edit that. We've got our video done now. Problem is, I don't know what to do with a thumbnail. Damn it, I would use this as the thumbnail, because this is episode 2. Problem is that that's gonna be covered up by the time code. That would be covered up by the time code on YouTube. Heck it. We're just gonna have big ol' smiling Noah on the front. Now, for our thumbnail, we're gonna open Glimpse, scale to 1280 by 720, because that's the size of thumbnails on YouTube. I want this to be, since this is gonna be a thumbnail, I want it to be a little bit brighter. And the temperature, I want it to be a little bit warmer, I think. It's colder, probably something like that. Bring the color balance toward, a little bit toward red, just like a tiny bit toward red and a tiny bit toward yellow. Shoulders and the deck of many things. Great. We have a thumbnail, everybody. I think I'm happy with this, for now at least. So, with that, we've created an outline, written, recorded, edited, and made the thumbnail for a YouTube video. All in a single stream. It's done. We went hard as a motherfucker.